Today, we're all about very, very entry-level work-from-home jobs for beginners. In fact, a couple of these jobs are not requiring related work experience. So whether you're starting over or moving into a new career, one of these jobs might be right for you. I'm going to start off with a job with Gainwell Technologies. They have an opening for a Project Management Associate Specialist. This is a full-time remote position. You can do it anywhere within the United States. They have a location as any city, Texas, virtual exception only. But we're going to ignore that because down here on this job description, they tell us this is a remote opportunity, U.S. continental, but you must be able to work Central or Eastern time zone hours. So it doesn't matter where you are within the United States as long as you're able to work those time zone hours. And the deadline to submit your application for this job is November 14th, 2025. So if you like this one, make sure to get your application in right away. And we can see on this job description, they tell us they'll pay you between $44,500 and $63,500 per year. Now, I do want to mention this, video cameras must be used during all interviews as well as during the initial week of orientation, so you need to be okay with that. So this is a very bare bones entry-level project management position where you'll work in Microsoft Office tools, assisting in establishing objectives for small to medium-sized projects to achieve business results by established critical dates. You'll assist in coordinating inter-project dependencies, resource allocation, release planning, technology, and architecture to meet business needs, and assist in coordinating changes in project direction, scope, benefits, cost, and timing while minimizing financial risks. And for this job, they want you to have 0 or more years of experience in project planning, and they'd like you to have experience working with project management methodology, including budget development, project planning, control and assurance methodologies, and project management software. You're analytical, a problem solver, a good communicator, and you're able to work in a team environment, and you're also able to deal with ambiguity and change. So that does it for this one. Let's move into a no related experience required work from home job. It comes to us from Foundation Finance Company. No stranger to this channel. I've posted a few work from home jobs with this company in the past. Today they have an opening for a Customer Service Specialist Level 1. This is a full-time remote position. However, they're only hiring in, I believe, 30, maybe 31 states within the United States. Scrolling down to the bottom of this job description, we can see all the states in which they are hiring remotely. So fingers crossed, hopefully you live in one of the states you see highlighted on your screen right now. And another thing I want to mention, you'll have to work 2 evening shifts per week from noon to 9 p.m. Central Time, as well as 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time, and 1 Saturday shift every 5 weeks. So scrolling back up a little bit more, they tell us right here on the job description, they'll pay you $18 to $19 per hour. And this is your typical customer service, customer support position where you'll handle incoming calls regarding customer account questions and perform callbacks on accounts as required. You'll process routine over-the-phone payments for customers, advise customers on available resources including but not limited to use of online portal, IVR, or other methods. You'll relay information to customers related to interest statements and other account questions, and recognize delinquent or potentially delinquent accounts and direct calls to the proper areas for assistance. You'll also assist with other department administrative tasks and support new hire training efforts by training and shadowing with employees, providing reports on progress to management. And for this job, they want you to have an associate's degree in business, finance, communication, marketing, or related field, or relevant applicable experience. So if you don't have any related experience, as long as you have an associate's degree, you're good to go for this position. And if you don't have an associate's degree, but you do have a little bit of customer service experience, you're also good to go for this job. And like I always say, if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service, customer support. You also have strong computer skills. You have a professional phone presence, as well as excellent communication skills. You have strong persuasion and negotiation skills, and you're able to handle stressful conversations with tact and diplomacy to yield the desired results. You have strong typing skills and strong attention to detail. So moving on to our next work from home opportunity, it comes to us from Time Learning. So they're a huge platform in the homeschooling space. They have an opening for a junior campaign analyst. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description, nor do I see the salary. This is a very entry-level marketing work-from-home job, and based on my experience looking at similar positions, I'm thinking this kind of job could pay anywhere from about $45,000 to maybe $60,000 per year, but there's no way I can guarantee that's how much you'll make. You'll have to work out your salary with them. So you'll be working in the Time for Learning and BrightSpire Virtual School division of this company, and what you do is provide day-to-day support across paid, organic, and influencer marketing campaigns. This is an entry-level role for someone eager to learn the fundamentals of digital marketing, project management, and influencer outreach, and you'll help traffic creative assets, track campaign performance, and manage influencer communications while gaining hands-on experience across email, social, web, and paid media channels. So that pretty much sums up what you're going to do in this position. They list a whole bunch of details as far as what you're going to do on a regular basis. If you like this job, feel free to read through all this stuff. And to qualify, they want you to have 0 to 2 years experience in marketing, communications, or a related field. Internship or project-based experience is welcome. They want you to have a bachelor's degree in marketing, communications, business, or related field, or equivalent experience. You have proven attention to detail with the ability to manage multiple tasks and timelines. You have clear written and verbal communication skills. You're comfortable corresponding with influencers and internal teams. You're familiar with Excel and Google Sheets, and it's a plus you have exposure to paid media platforms, email tools, or social scheduling platforms. You're eager to learn digital marketing fundamentals with a proactive and collaborative mindset. You're familiar with project management tools, and you have an interest in education, ed tech, or family-focused consumer brands. Now, they want you to have a reliable internet connection through cable or fiber optic broadband service with a minimum speed of 10 Mbps down and 5 Mbps upload. And if you're not sure what your internet speed is, just go to Google, type in something like, "What is my internet speed?" and do a quick speed test. So I have one more work from home opportunity for you. It's very beginner friendly, entry level, and it comes to us from Newzella. I'm not sure I pronounced that right. Newzella. I call it Newzella. They have an opening for a product marketing coordinator. It's a very, very beginner friendly marketing position. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States. Then what you're going to do is assist in the execution of go-to-market strategies, support internal communications around product launches, contribute to sales enablement, and help gather and analyze market insights. And they tell us this is an ideal opportunity for someone looking to grow their career in product marketing while making an impact in K-12 education. You'll support the product marketing team in launching new features and updates, assist in the creation and maintenance of marketing and sales collateral, conduct light competitive and market research to support strategic decision making, support internal communication of product updates through newsletters, presentations, and enablement sessions, respond to internal requests for product information and content updates, update and maintain the RFP response library, and provide flexible ad hoc support across the broader product marketing team as business priorities evolve. So you'll be a great fit for this position if you're interested in transitioning to a career in marketing or have 1 year experience in marketing. So there you go. You don't even need related marketing experience as long as you can express your interest in marketing. You're a strong communicator with attention to detail and an eagerness to learn. You can follow guidance and establish procedures to complete tasks with accuracy. You're comfortable asking questions, receiving feedback. You can work well with others, and you can build positive working relationships internally. You can manage your time well. You're organized. You can keep projects on track with supervision. And you're curious, adaptable, and you have a collaborative mindset. So check out this salary. They tell us they'll pay you between $63,200 and $72,700 per year. So that does it for this one. In fact, we just went over a nice little selection of work from home jobs that are very entry level, beginner friendly. A couple of them really don't require related work experience. Hopefully one of these jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for more, check out this video right here and come back to this channel frequently. I post work from home job leads on this channel almost every day of the week. Your job is out there. We're going to find it. Thank you so much for visiting. I really appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.